More than 11,000 cases as we close out a deadly week in our state. But tonight we do have some good news. Recoveries from the coronavirus, they are up 22% in the past week. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Denise Koch. Now, we still have a ways to go, but we are starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Governor Hogan has a recovery plan.
Now, despite that, it is still too soon to reopen the state, and that includes schools as well. Students will continue learning at home for at least the next 3 weeks. WJZ investigator Mike Algren kicks off our live team coverage tonight.
Rick and Denise, the state school superintendent says schools could be closed even beyond mid-May, but she wasn't ready to say that at the announcement and press briefing in Annapolis today. On the health front, Governor Hogan says he is looking at daily trends in the numbers, and in the past 24 hours, we have seen 161 more people hospitalized and 33 more deaths.
Our numbers are all going up, so no matter who you talk to, now is not the time to open things up.
Maryland's governor says he's closely monitoring the number of people hospitalized in the state while still working on a plan for recovery.
I completely understand why people are anxious to get things going. I want to get our economy back and get things open up as quickly as possible. Just as much as anybody does, but we're also going to have to do that in a safe manner.
A critical announcement involved Maryland schools. They will be closed until at least May 15th, at which time State Superintendent Dr. Karen Salmon will reevaluate what to do next.
This is one of those decisions that we need to make incrementally to see where we are in another month. We don't know what's going to happen.
The Maryland National Guard continues to participate in strike force teams, providing help to nursing homes. The governor says the state is providing millions to food banks and small businesses, and the Department of Labor will now allow the self-employed, small business owners, and federal workers to file claims online so they won't have to wait on the phone.
It will also help more Marylanders get their checks faster and more efficiently.
The governor also reminded people that his order mandating masks in stores and on public transit goes into effect Saturday. And he talked about why it's so important.
Now, some people have said that covering their faces infringes on their rights. But this isn't just about your rights or protecting yourself. It's about protecting your neighbors.
Hogan also commented on concerns about coronavirus in the prison system and a letter from most of Maryland's congressional delegation urging him to act more aggressively to protect officers and inmates.
It's not an issue that we're not concerned about, but I'm not sure how many more letters we need to get that's going to help us along in that process.
And we also learned about an outbreak at the Spring Grove Hospital Center in Catonsville. That's an inpatient psychiatric facility. 7 staff members and 2 patients tested positive. And Harford County reported its first death today. That is a 27-year-old man with underlying conditions. Reporting live in East Baltimore, Mike Algren, WJZ.